Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make public profile on Snapchat under 18. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open the Snapchat app on your Android or iPhone. And then, you're going to want to tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the top left corner of your screen. Afterwards, tap on the settings gear icon from the top right corner. Now from the settings menu, tap on the birthday option. Now carefully set the year to make your age 18 or older to later create the Snapchat public profile. Remember that you can only change your birth date a limited number of times, so choose wisely. Once you have changed the birth date, tap on the Continue option. Confirm your changes by tapping on OK, and after successfully changing the birth date, tap on the Create Public Profile option to make a public profile. In the Create Public Profile menu, read the instructions and tap on Continue. Finally, tap on Get Started and then select Create from the prompt. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.